Okay, so for this video, we're just going to start with the Manage Customers Project 6.3. So we know that on our main directory, we've got Manage Customers link, and we want to link that folder, Customer Manager folder, to that link so that it will, when the user clicks the Manage Customers link, it takes them inside the Customer Manager folder to the index page, where that will handle all the if actions. Okay, so we want to make sure we go into our Customer Manager folder right here. And let's start on our index page. So we require our database connection as usual, and then we want to require a new folder, a new file inside the model folder for customer_db for all of our, that will house all of our functions for our customers table. So first thing we need to do is have a default page load. As soon as a user were to click the Manage Customers link, we want to have the action set to search customers, which is going to be this customer search right here. So we need to create this form. So let's go to search customers, and it's just your basic form, nothing special. It has form action. We've got run search set up for this button here, which is our submit button down here. We have one value that's passing, which is the last name. So when the user types in their last name, as soon as we click search, PHP is going to save it as $last name. So go back to our index page. Now that we've created our file, it's called search customers PHP. So back to index. Sorry, right here. So handle the click action of the manage customer link in the main directory. If action is search customers, then display inside the folder. There's our file. So we got that loaded up. So now we need to handle typing in a last name and clicking the search button, and we want to search for a customer by their last name. We want a results table with a concatenated name, first and last, an email address, and a city with a select button. So to get started to do that, we know we're getting a value past last name. So let's set up our value for this search button right here. In our if actions, let's bring it up. So if action is run search, which is the name here, then get the last name. Once we have the last name, let's create a new function using that last name. So I've got one here called search customers, last name in the field, so that it uses this same value here. So we're going to select all values from the customers table where last name matches the text box. We're going to bind the values, execute, fetch all into an array named customers, return customers. And now let's display the customer's information down here in the table. So let's go to search results, because that's what we named this page here. And you'll see right down here, flow results. This is our table columns. I used our array customers as customer, and then accessed each array's element by its index, first name, concatenated, last name, email and city. And then our select button here, I gave a value, an action value of select customer, and that's our select button. So also to get this customer search to be at the top of our page, all I did was just take that very first page, the search customers page, and I copy and paste it into here. What you do want to watch out for is you want to make sure that your value is still set to run search. So if a new name is searched in this box, it will give a new results below. So I make sure that's set to run search, and this form action below, right here in this form action, you got select customer for the select button. Okay, so that's separate from this form action up here. So we're going to go back to our index page. We have our last name now. We created our function. Let's bring that up. Now we've got our search customer's last name. Took that function and we loaded into our array of customers. We displayed customers on the form using our array. So now all that's left is to display the form itself. So let's do that. And here's display the table after search and search results list, which that's what we named this page. So that completely walks through how to get the search results list, the customer search box so that it can search and get a new results. You do want to add required to your text boxes, to this text box, so that you make sure that if the user can't enter blank and search. And I hope you picked up something on that one, and I hope it helped a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.